English together.
At the barbershop.
Hello, welcome to the City Barbershop. How can I help you today?
I want a haircut and a shave.
Sure, please sit in this chair. What kind of haircut do you want?
I want a modern look. Can I get a fade on the sides?
Yes, a fade looks very clean. Do you want it very short on the bottom?
Yes, please. Make it short on the sides and long on the top.
I understand. I will use the clippers for that. Do you want a wash too?
No, thank you. But I would like a clean shave, please.
Sure, I will shave off all your beard and make your face smooth. Would you like a hot towel?
Yes, please. A hot towel feels very nice.
Okay, the haircut and the clean shave are finished. Look at the mirror.
Wow, this is perfect. My face feels so smooth and the fade looks great.
I am glad you like it. I can also add some gel to style the top. Would you like me to do that?
Yes, please. I want a modern style.
Great. I will use a small amount and style your hair. Okay, take a look now.
Wow, I really like it. The gel makes my hair look stylish and fresh.
I'm happy you like it. This gel holds your hair all day and smells like fresh mint.
That sounds great. I will buy one bottle, please.
The haircut is $20 and the gel is $10.
Here is $30. Thank you for the excellent service today.
You are very welcome. Have a wonderful weekend.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.